The RSS-backed Muslim Rashtriya Manch welcomed the decision by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on July 20, saying that they don't want the opposition's effort to disrupt national harmony due to political frustrations to succeed. The Uttar Pradesh government has made it mandatory for shops, eateries, dhabas, food shops and tea stalls along the Kanwar Yatra route to display their nameplates indicating the names of their owners. Additionally, the government has announced actions against those selling halal certified products. The Uttarakhand police have also issued directives asking food shops to display the names of their owners. The UP government says that it doesn't have a problem with people selling veg or non-veg food. However, it wants shop owners to display their names so that Kanwarias are better informed. Many shops use names based on Hindu deities even if they are owned by Muslims and sell non-veg items, which hurts the sentiment of Hindu Kanwarias. To prevent this, the state has issued directives. A minister from the state government of Uttar Pradesh said that people can sit and eat wherever they want, but they should know where they are sitting. Politics have been heating up on the issue, with opposition calling it a method to discriminate against Muslims and ignite hatred.
तो हमने ये आग्रह जिला प्रशासन से हमने किया था कि ऐसे सब लोग जो हिंदू देवी देवताओं के नाम पर अपने ढाबे होटल चलाते हैं और अधिकांश रूप से मुस्लिम समाज के लोग होते हैं, उनमें कावड़िए उनकी दुकानें बैठते हैं, खाते हैं और वो नॉन वेज बेचते हैं, यानी देवी देवताओं का नाम हिंदू का और बेचते हैं नॉन वेज, उन पे प्रतिबंध लगना चाहिए.
Yog Guru Baba Ramdev commented on the issue, saying if Ramdev has no problem revealing his identity, then why should Rahman have a problem revealing his identity? Everybody should be proud of their name. There is no need to hide their name. Only purity is required in work. If our work is pure, it should not matter if we are Hindu, Muslim or from any other community.
रामदेव को अपनी पहचान बताने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तो रहमान को क्यों दिक्कत होनी चाहिए? तो अपने नाम पर तो सबको गौरव होता है, तो नाम छिपाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
The Kanwar Yatra is set to commence on June 22 with the beginning of Sawan. The Uttar Pradesh government has been making arrangements for the smooth completion of the Kanwar Yatra, including proper drinking water facilities across the route, cleanliness arrangements, maintenance of street light, traffic arrangements and more.